Stuck zipper ruining your jacket or bag. Here's a 90-second fix to get it sliding again. No tools, no fuss, just fast results. Step 1. Check the teeth. Misaligned ones jam it up. Grab a pencil with a good graphite tip, rub it along both sides of the zipper teeth where it's stuck. The graphite lubes it up naturally, way better than forcing it and breaking the pull. Step 2. Work the zipper gently. Hold the fabric steady with one hand, then slide the zipper up and down with the other. Start small, then go bigger. If it's still stubborn, add a drop of soap or lip balm to the spot you penciled. Wiggle it again, smooth as butter in seconds. Step 3. Test it out. Zip it fully up and down. Stuck again? Hit it with more graphite or soap. You're done in under 2 minutes. No tailor needed. There you go. Zipper fixed, stress gone. Links below for handy fixes. Subscribe to Fix It Fast Hub for more quick wins.